Hello everyone. In this short video, I'd like to highlight how to use Quizlet to learn the words effectively well. As you can see, when the Chinese word showing at the front of your learning card, if this is revision, ask yourself, what is it? Generally, people look at it, they know what it is, but hard to be able to understand it when they hear it, or they can't use it in their speaking because they lack of practice on say it out. So when you look at a word, you must speak out loud. Test yourself if you remember how to say it. After you practiced it, said it, listen to this audio speaker.
马路，马路，
Did I say it correctly?
马路，
Copy, repeat after to practice your pronunciation.
马路，马路，
Then you also close your eyes. Listen to the audio again and again and again to train your listening ear to be sensitive, responsive to the syllables, to the word, and ask yourself, this is what I heard. What is it? What is it? Do I know? What is it?
马路，马路，马路，
This way you train your ear to develop your listening skill. Over this word, listening is one of the hardest because it takes time to build up. Therefore, as you go with your learning, always keep practice listening. Be very familiar with the sound of the word. It does not come with overnight, with intensive preparation. Need to be built up as you go along from beginning of your learning this word. Then your writing. Scribble with your finger on your device for convenience. Follow the stroke order, top, down, left, right, inside, outside. Balance in the middle, left and right. This way helps you write smoothly without avoid missing strokes. Try not to impersonate. Write from how it looks like in my memory. This way you're tending to draw the character rather than write it to follow the right parts, right sequence accurately. People tending to miss strokes, have writing error, or even write the parts on a different side. So for practice, learning to write, it's very important to follow the stroke order. Dismantle it by parts, left and right, top and down, and then try to remember the individual part of the character. The radical is crucial. Remember solidly how to write your radical because they don't change shape. They are the Lego pieces for building the character. When you see this character, you learned solidly how to write the radical, the individual undivisible part, and then you build it together is the accurate writing of this new character. This is how you try to remember the word and how to write it accurately. I hope you find this little video helpful. Patient, consistent, and continuing daily practice on your words will help your language learning significantly. without the words, we can't do the rest. So, happy learning on your vocabulary. Thank you.